From the night, woke to find dry bones. Held too tight, gave no time to let go. If I need you to hold on, need you to hold on. Am I asking too much? No, I need you to hold on, need you to hold on. 'Cause I keep screaming aloud, but you can't hear but the crowd. But you can't hear but the walk away, try my pace instead. Fall in place, effortless again. 'Cause I can't do this much longer. I can't change what I am when the pull just grows stronger. It's getting harder to stand. If I need you to hold